What's up, YouTube? Had a busy day today, but I did want to give you guys a quick video. So let's take a trip. Yeah, my son had a busy day. So my son got hurt at track practice today, and so we had to go to the hospital. He fell and hit his head, so we had to go to the hospital, get all kind of scans ran. But luckily everything was okay. But another car-related vlog. Got something in the mail today. So let's check out what it is. This will be a quick video. I guess you can call this a unboxing of the package. But let's check it out. What's up, buddy? Hey, you want to see what we got in this package? Alright, so ignore our weights. All this extra. So, what do we have in this package? Something that I've been wanting for a while. So, let's see what it could be. Oh, ta-da! Let's check this out. Oh yeah. That's right, baby. Finally got my floating center caps. So, yeah, no, not a big deal. But something I've been wanting for the car for a while. Let's go ahead and open the rest, make sure we got all four. I actually got these off of eBay. These things are in the store, I think 900 bucks. And I just like getting my value, so I didn't pay 900 for these. It was actually on eBay for 500. So I just want to make sure we have all four, and we do. And yeah, so oh yeah, we back floating. Let's make sure all of them spin, or technically float. Yep, yep. Oh yeah. And the last one. Oh yeah, so we good. Let's slap one on the car, see what it looks like. Be right back. So, by now, y'all all remember the car. So it came with these. Those are non-floating. And I'm going to replace it with this. So, let's check and make sure everything fits. Here we go. So that's the old, I guess they call this a black cap. That's what it looks like. When you get your wheels built to order, it actually fits on the hub. But anyway, let's see if we can just replace it now with the float cap. There we go. There we go. And that's pretty much it. So, yep. So that's about all I've been wanting. So let's see that. Back up from it a little bit. Looks pretty good. So yeah, that's all I want to do for this video. Like I said, just a quick unboxing. Checking out the new floater caps. It's something I've been wanting for a while. But for now, I'm gonna actually take it back off. And oh yeah. So take it off. Place it with the regular cap for right now. And we'll get them put on later. So Alright, peace out, YouTube. Holla.